Hi everybody, this is Bonnie from Bonnie's Creative Place.stampingup.net, and I'm just coming to you really quick with a quick tip that I saw over on Angie Chicken Scratch, I believe that's what it's called, when she was doing her room tour. And I know I just sent you a video on one way to straighten out your magnetic platform for your stamping, emboss, and indie machine, but this was genius when I saw what she did. She takes her mat, I'm putting mine this way right now because mine is warping upward, so I'm putting it this way, and when she stores it, she stores her Big Shot on top of it. Is that not very smart? I'm telling you, that was the best. When I was watching the video and I saw that, I'm like, woohoo! So that is my new tip. And if you want to pop over and see her craft room studio, that is a beautiful studio that she has over there. It's a dream studio for me. But yeah, just take your stamping machine and put it, when you're not using it, put it on top of it, because you're not using it every second, every minute of the day. And so the weight from this machine helps keep it flat. So there is a quick tip for you. So thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit the like button. There's a little pink square, subscribe, and all the good stuff. Bye-bye, everybody.